school song, and I still remember it to this day. Rainbow Park just started a program which is called PAVAC program. I think it was Performing Arts Vocational something. And when they first started the program, one side of the school they had for drama and art and music, and I believe medical magnet. And I never forget my mom literally, that was my home school, but my mom literally went into the office. And when she went into the office, she asked my son, how can he apply to be in this art program? My son, how can he be in this PAVAC program? And I will never forget, it took a while, but once I got in, trying to adjust, being in this program, we did photography, we did still life, we did painting, and we went down to places down in Miami, South Beach to take pictures. We went to a place called Vizcaya, where we took photos in museums. And beyond that, from elementary to middle school, I was in the art program, and I went to Miami Northwestern, a high school down in Miami that had an art program. But what was so fascinating, we talk about generations, is that being in the art program gave me an opportunity to be exposed to a lot of art, creativity, being around other artists. And I'll be honest with you, in that room, there were so many different artists that was so far better than me, so far better than me. But as I got older, I realized I never thought that kid then would take his artistry into writing, even though I struggled in reading. You see how that works? So when we're talking about doing it for the next generation, this is so powerful, man. We have to put our kids into rooms that's going to bring out their creativity, bring them into rooms that's going to have them thinking from generation to generation, that they can be authors and writers and content creators and businessmen and just creating books and movies and films. I mean, it can go on and on. But if we're just stuck in our little places, in our little rooms, in our little comfort zones, in our little family histories, then we can't grow. And I applaud my mom. I mean, I thank God for her and my father. But I applaud my mom is that here you have her to have a inkling or have a revelation to say, you know what, my son can be in this art program. And so we got to realize as parents, we got to push our kids and put them in situations that they can bring out that creativity. So you have to understand that you are not just raising children, you are shaping legacy. Whew. You're not just raising children, but you're shaping legacy.